What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on XELA ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you is it possible to hit the $50 price target with this stock. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next from the technical standpoint. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at the beginning of August 2021 and I've told you that we have this resistance and these two supports and it were our crucial points. And I've told you that we shouldn't break these ranges of support, and if we'll break it, it will indicate that we might see lower price targets, and I highly recommend you not to enter your position right here despite of all the excitement that we had at that moment. And as you can see, it happened exactly as I predicted. We broke first support, second one right here, and it was the sign that we will definitely go lower. Had small bounce to the upside and went lower again. Retest this range and again roll over to the downside, retest it one more time and went lower. And from my previous video, we have about 87% of the movement to the downside to the lowest point and about 75% to our current range. And right here we have for now this movement to the upside with a very good volume, and from its lowest point to its highest point this asset surged for about 176%. So definitely good movement to the upside. But is it worth your attention, and is it possible to hit $50 price target in near future because of the short squeeze and other less important news? We will see. So let's continue for now with the fundamental news and let's start with the company profile. Exela Technologies provides transaction processing solutions, enterprise information management, document management and digital business process and services worldwide. For now, this company has a total market cap of $281.65 million. They have a revenue of $1.19 billion with a negative revenue growth of 13.53%. They have losses of $160.63 million, and their total cash position is $146.18 million. Their total debt is more than $1.5 billion, and I have to say that financially this company doesn't look very well, and we have to keep this in mind. So, what was the reason of this massive spike in its price? And here is the news. We are on Yahoo Finance. And this article was published on January 26th and it's titled Exela Technologies announces share buyback of up to 100 million shares of common stock at $1 per share through exchange offer of new notes. And here are the key points. Shareholders can exchange blocks of 25 shares of common stock into a tradable $25 note due 2029 with a 6% annual interest rate. Offering price represents an 82% premium to the closing share price of $0.55 on January 25, 2022. Share standard will be retired, reducing share count by approximately 29%. And the last one, participating shareholders should instruct their broker to tender their shares well before the expiration time of midnight Eastern Standard Time on February 24, 2022 to give their broker enough time to tender their shares. So I have to say that this buyback was the real catalyst why we had this massive surge in price, and definitely the maximum price target when this buyback is worth the attention of investors is $1, is right here, and we have about 26% room to grow with the next potential leg to the upside. And let me show you why we have a lot of excitement around this asset from the retail standpoint. And the main rumor is that Wall Street Bets set the price target of XELA stock to $50. And definitely this price target inspires a lot of people to enter their position. And definitely because of this movement to the upside, it was also a very good potential catalyst for the retail investors to enter their position in order to participate in this FOMO. But I have to say that from the technical standpoint, let me show you the analyst's price target. And yes, this asset has a buy rating, but the average price target is $3.67 according to Seeking Alpha prediction, and about $4 according to TPRank's analysts. And as you can see, we have only 2 ratings and all of them suggest to buy, and the price target are from $3 to $5 and average price target is $4. So let me show you that for now, according to Kiverkant.com, we don't have this asset among the top list of most mentioned tickers. We have SPI, FB, GME, PTON, Tesla, and so on and so forth, but we don't have XELA. On top of that, on appwisdom.io, we have Exela Technologies only on 57th place. Yes, it searched up for more than 172 positions, but still it has only 12 mentions. And let me show you that the top stocks has almost 400 mentioned, and compared to 12 mentions, it is close to nothing. And that's why I don't think that we might have a huge buying pressure on Monday, basically today, with this stock. And let me show you institutional investors list. And first of all, let me show you this chart. It is institutional ownership. And as you can see, since June 2020, we have consistently declined in institutional ownership of this company. And definitely it is a bad sign. Not so many institutionals wants to enter their position with this asset. On top of that, let me show you the short volume ratio, and for now this company has about 150,000 shares available for short, and it has a short borrow fee rate at 2.28%. I don't think that with this number of shares available we might see a short squeeze because of the retail investors. That's why we have to be cautious. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, from this bottom we have for now 2 waves, and technically we might have it as a ABC correction like this, or most likely we have 3 out of 5 waves formed in our movement to the upside. And as you can see, first wave is longer than the third one, and this means potential 5th wave should be even shorter than the third one in order to stay in line with the Elliott wave theory rule. And this means, in my opinion, we might have something like a rising bearish wedge. And let me show you how it might look like. If I connect these tops right here and these bottoms, we definitely have this formation, and this formation in the majority of cases breaks to the downside, and definitely in this case we will see lower price action right after we will form next leg to the upside, and potentially we might hit $1 price point and then we will have a retracement. So I think for now we have absolutely 0 chances to hit $50 in foreseeable future. And that's why, in my opinion, you have to stay aside from the investing in this asset, at least for now, at least until we will see some major news that might drive the price of this company even higher. And only in this case, when we'll have next leg to the downside and next leg to the upside, when we form higher highs and higher lows, and when we start to exceed these previous swing highs, in this case this asset becomes more attractive from the fundamental and technical standpoint in order to enter the position, enter your long position with XELA Technologies. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!